Welcome back to the Everyday Workbench. Today we are in the outdoor kitchen and we are going to learn how to restore a cast iron grate for summer grilling season. So most times when you have to clean a cast iron grate, it's very easy. You crank the heat up on the barbecue and you use your barbecue brush. But today I'm going to show you how to get that pesky rust off the grate that you might find when you go to grill for the first time in the spring. We're going to use a product called Barkeeper's Friend. Super simple process. We're going to get a brand new looking grate, and then we have to season it right away so it doesn't begin to rust. So follow me through the process and let's get this grate ready for summer grilling. So now you know what to do if you open up your grill in the springtime and your cast iron grate is full of rust. It's a lot of scrubbing. The Barkeeper's Friend worked awesome for this project. We seasoned it right away with vegetable oil so we don't get the rust back right away. And now we're ready for summer grilling. Thanks again for joining us on the Everyday Workbench.